Don't you?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl No Obi. I know guys, I know it's actually been a while, trust me. I think the last time I posted a video on this channel was over 3 months. I'm sorry about that guys, this wasn't the plan for this channel, but you know, life happens. Okay, I won't say I have a very vivid reason for not being posting or for being away for a lot of for a long time. I know I've lost most of my subscribers. I know some people are desubscribing because it's not what they subscribed for. Okay, my presence is not presencing. Okay, but the thing about it is that I just got busier with life, with kids and other things, and I just forgot about the channel. I've gotten few messages why you're not posting here and there. I've also gotten people telling me that you were my inspiration, 1 or 2 persons, but I told them that yes, that this energy of posting, it comes and goes. Okay, so just let's just keep going with the flow. Okay, and also I planned on doing a proper video of my comeback before actually starting normal video. Well, if I keep waiting to do a proper video of my comeback, I'll end up not even doing any video. So today I have an appointment with the doctor today. Yes, and I said okay fine, let me just start up a video today with a vlog, with a nice vlog. Even though I'm able to be creating content, something like a vlog once in a week, I think it's better than just being dormant on this channel. And mind you, this channel is monetized. Yes, this channel is monetized. Since I have not been posting for the past 4 months, yes, I still get my revenue from, I still get paid by Google. But the thing is that if you don't reach your threshold, the money won't get into your pocket, okay, into your bank account. So the money is just there because I've not gotten to my threshold. And on this channel, in YouTube in general, once you're not active, trust me, I don't know how the algorithm knows, but trust algorithm, sorry, I don't know how the algorithm knows you're not active, but it will surely show on your revenue. But with that being said, today, like I said, I have an appointment with the doctor today. My kids, they've gone to school. In fact, I can never choose an appointment for 8:30 in the morning, never. But this appointment, I don't know when they rescheduled it, and they put me for 8:30, and it's so annoying. Like I'm just running helter skelter everywhere. Just drop my kids at school, I'm back in the house, like I don't even care. Like I wasn't even able to find out the clothes I'm going to wear this morning, but at this point getting out the clothes is not even a problem now. I just put on a t-shirt, which I'm wearing right now, and just a trouser, and just put on my nice wig. I just have a little makeup now upstairs, then we just get going. Anything I get up today, I'll just show you guys, from doctor's appointments maybe to 1 or 2 places, then I get back home and just call it a day. Okay, anything that takes me outside now, I just try to do it fast and come back, because once I leave the house, it's as if I've lost many things. And once my kids go to school, it's as if I just have to be in the house, do other things, relax, and have my self time. Once my kids are at school and I start going all these errands and running around, it gets me angry, because I know very soon the time will be over and they come back from school, and of course another fresh day for you starts. Because when they go to school, it's as if the day has not started. It's when they close from school that the day has started. So guys, since we're talking too much on this video, let's just get it going, because like I told you guys, I don't have much of a time. So guys, before we get it going, there's this noise always on this camera when I'm making a video. I don't know if you're using Canon G7XMARKIII. Please tell me in the comment section how you're able to deal with the background noise. There's this very irritating background noise that I hear all the time when I'm making a video. No, not when I'm making a video, when I'm about to edit the video. Trust me, that noise is very annoying. You see what I'm just bringing out this. I don't know, there's this thing I got, or my husband got it, because instead of using nail on the wall, you can actually use it and place things on the wall. You get, I don't know, it's called Prit multi-tack. Okay, you want to hang pictures, you want to hang just, you know, few things, you can use it as your support. Okay, I actually use it to hang the precious blood pictures I have here and other things. So something just came to my mind, maybe I should just use this and place it, I don't know, there's this place I feel this noise comes from. Here, yes, here, let me just place it here. So guys, I've actually placed it, so I'm going to see from this side of the content. So guys, I've actually placed it. I'm going to see from this side of the contents how the background noise is going to be. if the background noise disappears from this part I'm talking now, then I know this magic or this trick I did actually worked. Okay guys, I don't have much time. It's just to 8 now. I have to run along, and I don't know whether there's traffic on the road or what the road is going to give me. Guys, I've actually come to have a little makeup on my face, like I told you guys. Yes, I don't know if I'm suffering from acne or whatever the case may be, but this is what my face actually looks like right now. The time is 7:38. I have a few minutes to get ready, and I just have a very few touch up here and there, and we get going. So guys, this is my mom's room, okay? But right now I've turned the room into some place where I keep my personal stuff. I don't know, not even personal stuff, but some place where I just keep things. So I have these powder testers. I always have it all the time anytime I go to the shop to check on my color before buying powder. Thank God for the way these guys do here, but because in Nigeria you can't try it. It's either you buy or you go, but here you have an option of taking some and going home and actually using it for a while to know if it's something you actually, if it's a color that actually blends with your skin very well. Because sometimes when you go to shop to buy a makeup and they just try it in that shop, I don't know the kind of light they use, but once they try it there, it's as if the powder is just your color. But once you're back home and you try it on your face, you find out that the powder is not even your color. I don't know, it happens all the time. It happens all the time, guys. So I actually like how they do it here. They give you option of taking it home. Yeah, they give you option of taking it home here. Take it home, go and check if it's your color. If it's your color, it's okay. We have the color here. Come and buy. So that is it, guys. I actually took it home. So that's why it's in a container. I have two colors that I took home. Both colors are just my color anyways. It just depends on what I want at that moment. So guys, just a very quick makeup, not here to beat a wedding face. Not here to beat a wedding face, just a very quick makeup and I'm done. Just a very quick one. Yeah, just a very quick makeup. Very quick. This is it. At this moment I'm getting close to being done. At this moment I'm getting close to being done. Just told you guys it's a very quick makeup. I'm not gonna sleep here together with, I don't even have that kind of luxury. I don't have luxury with time today. So this is from Zara. This is from Zara. It's like a lip color. So guys, at this point I think I'm done with this makeup. I don't know what this makeup looks like, but because I don't have luxury of time to stay and be making up, I'm giving proper makeup, eyeliner, eyeshadow, lip pencil and all. This is actually around 8 o'clock and my appointment is for 8:30, so I have to get going. I just put up a foundation, then a bit of powder on my face, then just a very lip color that is very close to my skin color, which you won't even know if I'm wearing anything or not. Then I don't think I'm going to be using eye pencil. I'll just call it ready. I need to go. I don't know how possible it is to carry this camera and actually be going to everywhere I want to go today. I don't think it's possible. I don't think it's visible. I'm just going to drop this camera at home, then get going. Hi guys, sorry guys, this is the next day. Okay, I was not able to continue that vlog because I got busy. Yeah, So this is next day. There's something I want to show you guys. I ordered something. Yes, and I want to open it with you guys actually. Yeah, just very minor few things. I don't know. I got this. This is the wig cap. I don't usually use a wig cap, but this time around I said maybe I should just try it. It's not really my thing. Yeah, the regular wig cap that we all know about. Yeah, I don't usually use it, but I'm like, let's just give it a trial. Okay, so I got this, and I got this. This is actually for my kitchen. It's like a tissue holder, you know, the big paper towel tissue. So it's like it. I just have to place it somewhere, then put the tissue beneath it. Yeah. So I got this as well, and I got this. I don't know. What I had in mind for this was to get something like let's say house rules or house guide. I don't know. It's for my kids actually. I know they're very small right now, but we have to start from somewhere. Yes, they say catch them young, right? So I got this actually. It has this stuff here that you can hang it on the wall, and these places are like the places where you write down things. This particular one here is like the paper where you put down the things you want to write. Let me just see. I'm actually seeing it for the first time. I'm opening it right now with you guys. So okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So it's like paper that you can use. I think it's when you write the things you want to write. Then let's see how it works. So you guys, I'm just seeing it for the first time, right? I think this thing will slot it from somewhere, but I don't know. Oh, how does it work? Okay, yeah. So when you're done writing, you just place it this way. So it's just gonna be like this. I think the things you want to write, your house rules, you have to be respectful. You don't have to fight with each other. You have to respect your mom and your dad. You have to comply to brushing your teeth every morning and night, and eat your food. Yeah, play very kindly, talk to one another very softly. Yeah, we have to start these things early, so I feel it's a good beginning. It's gonna be house rules or whatever. I'm just gonna find a very good term for it and write them in a short way, in such a way that it's gonna contain that space. Okay, so this is about it. I think I have something else I ordered. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, this is like what is it called, a stretcher for my daughter. I used to have this particular stretcher that I got, but it's big. When I'm trying to use it on her, I don't know, she doesn't feel comfortable with it, so I got this one. This, if you can remember this, it's very handy. So I just got this for her. It's tiny. It matches the size of her head because she's still a toddler. So, and we don't want to retouch our hair, so we can work with this for now. We don't want to retouch her hair, so we can work with this. They say professional hair iron. So yeah, I think this will be very useful for her. Yeah, so, and I got this. Well, I didn't know that this was gonna come just single like this, because on the picture it was showing a set of 6, but now I ordered it. I guess the set of 6 pictures I was seeing there was kind of just to place it so it looks more, you know, attractive. By the end of the day, I just received just one. So this is supposed to be finger brush that you use for your kids, especially when you want to brush their tongue. So you just wear it and you brush their tongue, because when they want to beat you, see, I don't know if you can see it very well. It's not focusing. So this is just it. So that it's focusing now. So this is just it. You wear it on your hand, because you know when you're brushing their tongue, they like to bite you, right? So instead of using the paper towel or the tissue towel, the teeth one, to brush their tongue, you can just wear this on your finger and put a toothpaste and scrub their tongue properly. So I recommend this. It's very good. I recommend it because even when they try to beat you, it's not gonna get you. Do you get? Yeah. So it's protecting your finger as well, because these kids, their teeth is very sharp. One bite, you might lose your finger. So this is actually the last one here, and it's called comfortable eye contact relieve burning sensation. Okay. Sunshine nail comfortable eye contact, blah blah, double light source. Okay. 50,000 hours lifetime. This is a professional gel polish LED nail dryer. Professional gel polish nail dryer lamp. So what does it mean? I can actually paint myself at home. I can actually use a gel polish at home. I don't need to go to the salon anymore. I can use it at home, then dry it myself. Yeah, I can use it at home, then dry it myself. Yeah, this is professional. This is exactly how it is. This is exactly how it is. So 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and this is the mouth. You can actually use it with USB, with charger head, or you can put it directly to your laptop. But I think charger head is preferable. And this is how it came. So right now, I don't need to go to salon to use my gel polish. What I just need is to buy my gel polish, then paint my nails in the house and dry it myself. So guys, this is just basically it. These are the things I got recently. This order just came in today as I'm doing this video. It came in the morning, and I decided to open it with you guys. Yeah. I'm not very used to opening things for you guys, because normally when they come, I'm not on camera, so why would I keep it when I'm on camera? So it's kind of stressed. So this is basically it, guys. So I'm just gonna go to the kitchen and put this on right now. Then all these other ones, I'll take it upstairs. I'll take it upstairs to my makeup room and drop it there till when I'm ready to fix them properly. So guys, this is basically it. I've been quite away from YouTube, and I'm trying to reset. I'm trying to come back gradually. I'm trying to reset myself gradually. I'm trying to find my place gradually. Though right now, I'm thinking of having a little bit of content change. I don't know. Just change one or two things in my contents, and I don't know what I'm actually gonna change. Sorry, my phone is ringing. I don't know what I'm actually gonna change or stuff like that, but I just think I'm gonna change a few things. I might have my subscribers retained. I might have some unsubscribe because this is not what they know me for. But that's fine. That's okay. But we'll see how it goes. So guys, thank you for watching, and we'll continue with this vlog tomorrow. I guess so. Okay? I'll see you guys.